We've all been there. You have a great technical structure, but now you need to turn it into a visual diagram. Usually, this means hours of dragging boxes and arrows in Figma or Lucidchart, only to realize you forgot one connection. With SpecTree, your documentation and your visuals stay in perfect sync. Let's take this project we've just built. Instead of switching tools, I'll simply ask the assistant, based on the analyzed data, generate a system architecture diagram for the mobile application. Watch this. SpecTree isn't just drawing, it's analyzing the deep logic of your nodes, dependencies, and data flows to create a professional, structured schema instantly. But here's the best part. It's not just a static image. I can drop a message like, insert this diagram into the mobile application node. Now, your visual specs live exactly where they belong, right inside your technical documentation. If you need to change a relationship or add a new object, just say or type it. SpecTree updates the logic and the diagram simultaneously. No more broken links or outdated visuals. When you're ready, export your diagrams along with your specs in PDF or Markdown. From complex database schemas to high-level system flows, SpecTree turns your thoughts into vision. Try it now.